Guys, beautiful day. Ayan, masyado bang close up? O kailangan akong umurong konti? Hayaan nyo na. And I feel na parang ang bilog ko. Hindi naman, 'di ba? Medyo I feel that nag-gain ako ng weight na naman. Ang hirap, guys. In my 30s, parang taas-baba yung timbang ko. Hindi ko talaga ma-maintain. Anyway, in today's video is not about weight gain or weight loss. This is about the skincare that I've been using for the past months. And eto yung naging dahilan kung bakit hindi ako nakapag-review ng bagong skincare products. May nakaabang akong skincare products to be reviewed. Well, in fact, I have 2 serums na nakaabang. Yung isa, bigay lang sa akin from a collaboration, T3 serum. Yung isa naman is serum also, yung e.l.f. na brand from made in Thailand. Hindi ko pa talaga siya nagagamit because of this product. And I've reviewed this, I've mentioned this here in my TikTok account and also in my YouTube channel. Way back 2022 pa siguro or 2021, na-try ko na tong mga products to. This from Madagascar Centella Skin 1004. I have right here the Centella Toner and the Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule made with pure Centella from Madagascar. I have right here 100 ml of ampule and the 400 ml of toner. I believe, to be exact, I think this is the 5th bottle na this variant talaga. But first time ko na 400 ml. And ayan na lang ang naiwan. With this one, kailang bottle na rin ako. Na-try ko na lahat ng ampules nila. But only the Centella and this pore brightening, tone brightening ang na-purchase ko na in 100 ml. So, eto naman is used to not only brighten the skin but also to make your pores look smaller. Parang hindi siya ganun ka-open, tignan. And guys, nahirapan ako mag-mix or incorporate ng bagong skincare because I feel na this is so effective on me. Lahat ng mga dark spots ko ay nafe-fade niya. Not instantly, but effective talaga siyang pang-fade ng dark spots. And also, during the school festivities, medyo naarawan ako ng 2 araw at umitim talaga yung noo ko. Alam mo yung may part ng face mo na medyo dark, which is the forehead and the top of my nose, the bridge of my nose, yung top part. Medyo maitim talaga siya. And in just 3 days of consistently using this one, bumalik sa natural skin color ko ang aking face because of these 2 products right here. I also have the cream one, the gel pala, and the pore minimizing light gel cream. Gamit ko to during the night. And Centella Skin 1004 products never fails. And palagi silang naka-promo. I think they still have a promo right now. So check in the links that I'll be putting down below and also in the yellow basket if you're watching this on TikTok. Ayan. Perfect talaga. With the other variants of the ampules, na-try ko rin naman sila. Pero, di sa malalaking bottles such as this one. Yung trial pack. Meron kasi sila yung parang trial pack. Maliliit na bottle, tag 30 ml per ampule. So, kompleto na yung 4 na variants. Yung the tone brightening, pore minimizing, the Centella, and the green one, T3 ata yon. So, for the pore minimizing, ito yung light gel cream na variant. Ito, okay din. Pero, mas nagamit ko kasi to ng everyday, kaya mas nasasabi kong ito talaga. With my cleanser, iba yung cleanser na ginagamit ko. I'm using a gentle cleanser from Hello Glow. Try ko pang cleanser from Centella is yung Centella na variant. Hindi ko pa nagamit yung ibang mga cleansers nila because palagi akong may extra na cleanser. Na-try ko rin yung sachet lang, yung sunscreen nila. Maganda siya, guys. And I'd like to purchase that one pag naubos ko na tong si Face Republic. I think that would be all. Check in the yellow basket, guys. Sulit to, guys.